back to Vegas. This time we're staying at the Hilton Grand Vacations Elara property, which is located in the center strip. It's connected to Planet Hollywood and the Miracle Mile shops. It's easy to get to Paris and across the street to Bellagio. The entrance is underneath the main lobby floor. It's on the first floor, and it's also the Uber pickup and drop off. This room is the basic floor plan. It features a small kitchenette with a microwave, a coffee maker, a fridge and freezer, and a dishwasher and sink. You also get a full set of dishes. Next we have the bathroom with a separate toilet area. A well-lit vanity and sink area. Plenty of room for getting ready. Makeup mirror. Shower with these amazing smelling bath products from Crabtree and Evelyn. A jetted tub. And then you have a closet, an iron, TV, desk area, super comfortable bed. The nightstands have outlets for all of your electronic devices. And then you have a living room area with a couch, a coffee table, and an extra chair. The views are great here as well. You have a view of the South Strip, the airport, MGM Signature, the Waldorf. Great place to stay overall.